Hello and Namaste. Welcome to a new video of Thursday Tarot card reading. But before we start the weekly guidance, I quickly want to give a shout out to Suchi Bhau. Thank you so much, Suchi, for sharing our video on your Instagram. And if you also want to get a shout out in the next week's Thursday Tarot card video, then all you have to do is take a screenshot of this video and tag us on your Instagram stories. And that's it. You will get a shout out. So thank you so much once again, all of y'all, for the love and the comments and the beautiful interaction which I see on Thursday Tarot card videos. It just motivates me so much. Thank you so much. And now let's start the weekly guidance. Hello everyone, like you can see, there are 3 packs of cards kept in front, labeled O, S and R. All you have to do is, like always, you need to focus on all the 3 packs of cards. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, think about how you want your coming week to be. Think about how you want to create the energy like. And once you feel you have synced in to the next week's energies, open up your eyes, focus on the 3 packs of cards, and whichever particular pack of cards is drawing your attention, comment that particular pack of cards below and also type in Om Sai Ram. Okay, so once you have done, you can straight away click on the timestamp mentioned against your pile of cards and listen to the weekly guidance for yourself. Let's begin. If you have commented on the first pack of cards, then this is the message that I see for you for this particular week. I feel that maybe you are looking for some kind of solution or some kind of guidance to a particular stuck thing in your life. It could be just anything. It could be as tiny as a small thought and maybe as big as a major relationship issue. Whatever it is, I see that the universe will try to offer you some kind of help in the form of a third person. This third person could be some cousin of yours, or maybe somebody from your friend circle. It could also be somebody whom you actually have not expected to reach out to you, but definitely in whatever form there will be some kind of help that will be offered to you in the form of a human being. Okay, so that is something that the universe is telling, that I will offer help to you, but you have to be receptive towards it, because it should not be that you were so much preoccupied with the stress of the situation that you overlooked the help that was being offered to you. So out of nowhere, if suddenly something just flashes in front of you, or if you see a message, or if you see some kind of anything which triggers your attention and which feels like a help being offered to you, grab it. Be receptive, because the universe will not keep offering help to you until and unless you are receptive towards it. Alright, so that is something which majorly will be occupying the major actions in this week. Okay, that's the one message. Apart from that, I also feel that maybe you are just overthinking or over contemplating about a particular thing in your life. I think this is also kind of linked to the first message which I just gave to you, that don't take too much of stress. I think maybe you are just looking at the problem from a problematic point of view, but if you actually look at it, it could maybe be a very good thing, a new perspective which will help you to work on your assets or on your strong points as well. So just try to change your perception towards things, and I think it will be a fun week if you change your perception towards it. I also see that this is a week where you will be letting go and shedding off some kind of past patterns or past worries or some kind of past habit which no longer serves any higher purpose or any higher good in your life. So there will be a lot of decluttering, let go, releasing, all of these activities which will, by the time the week comes to an end, these activities will actually help you to develop a sense of comfort and a sense of stability and control in your life. Okay, as far as your health is concerned, I feel that you need to maybe do some kind of breathing exercise, like maybe pranayam or yoga will really help you, because I feel there could be a little bit of maybe suffocation or congestion around the throat area or somewhere little down, maybe around the chest area. Okay, so make sure that you go out for walks, obviously wearing a mask, and make sure you do some kind of breathing practice or pranayam, so that you let out the heavy energies, the heavy frustrations out from your system, because I feel that this week can actually be a game changer week for you if you change your perception. And honestly, it's not even that tough, it's just that you have to be receptive. Okay, and I also feel that by the time this week comes to an end, there will be a good reason for some kind of success or celebration, or maybe some kind of small function or gathering as well, uh, where you will start the preparation. Okay, so some kind of preparation, some kind of excitement is stepping in by the time this week comes to an end. So focus on all these messages and turn this week into a positive, even more positive time for yourself. And lucky color for you is definitely blue, because there is a lot of blue in this reading and I just feel so much connected with the blue color right now. So try to use blue color. Lighter shades of blue will definitely be a better option, and practice this affirmation: I am letting go of any anxiety. I am letting go of any anxiety. Comment in the description box below, because that is how you will remember. I am letting go of any anxiety. So that is the message for you for this particular week. I hope you enjoyed this message and you take away a lot of learnings from this as well. I will see you soon in the next week's tarot card reading. Till then, take care. Namaste. Hi, welcome to the Thursday tarot card reading. If you have commented the second pack of cards, that is S for yourself, then this is the weekly guidance message for you. It's a beautiful week where I see definitely lot of things which will come to a winding up stage, a conclusive stage this particular week. It might be possible that some things which have been stuck for quite some time now, or which have been in work in progress mode, will suddenly start coming to a winding up stage or a finished product stage. So that is something which I'm clearly seeing. It could be anything. It could be something like maybe a job application, maybe a project that you have been working on. It could be a relationship where there was some kind of communication gap. So all of these things which were just somewhat stuck midway will suddenly start taking a shape into the final mode. Okay, that's the first message which I'm seeing for you. Apart from that, I also see that for relationships or for your emotional healing, it's a beautiful week where I feel that you will be in connection with a lot of your friends, or maybe few of your friends, but quality ones, and you will get a chance to talk to people, understand them, and just build and strengthen your connections once again. So it could be possible that somebody with whom you have not been speaking for quite some time now will suddenly happen to get in touch with you and resolve things and clarify things once again. If that is the case, be receptive towards it. Don't try to ignore such a situation. Alright, also I feel that maybe some kind of money which has been stuck, or some kind of financial thing which has been stuck, might take a positive turn this week, where you will get an assurance or some kind of clarity of the money coming back to you, or some kind of positive news as far as a recovery pattern is concerned. And also, as far as your health is concerned, I see that you need to just watch out your footsteps. Like when you step out of the house, don't be in a hurry. Okay, be mindful of the footsteps that you are taking, be mindful of that particular situation, and don't be lost in your subconscious thoughts, because in that case there is a high possibility, god forbid, that you might end up hurting your your feet or your ankle, something like that. So I feel that you need to watch out and be careful of any kind of slippery floor, or just be careful basically. Okay, like just don't be in a hurry like a roller coaster or something. Take it slow and take it in a very mindful manner. Also I feel that this is the time where apart from things coming to a settlement mode, and from the fact that you need to meditate and everything and take care of your health, one important message which is coming to you is that there will be some kind of spiritual enlightenment, or some kind of spiritual awakening, as you might call it, that you will be receiving this particular week. Okay, so you have to be very very I would say receptive whenever this happens. Just try to observe your thoughts, observe the kind of the situation. Just kind of observe the thoughts whenever you sit down to prayer or meditate, or observe your dreams as well, because I feel that in a very significant spiritual manner there will be a very beautiful message that will be given to you. And in that case, remember to act upon that message, because that will be the message which could actually help you to take a huge leap towards your karmic goal. So that is something which definitely you should do. And that's all for this week. As far as the lucky color is concerned, definitely it is yellow color for you. Try to use yellow color as much as possible, and practice the affirmation that I am in balance. Okay, comment below. It's just like a reminder for yourself. I am in balance. Okay, I am in balance. So once you have done that, that's all. Remember these guidances that I have given to you for this particular week, and I really hope you enjoy this week and you are your life is in balance. Okay, so have a beautiful week ahead, and I will see you soon again. Till then, take care. Namaste. Hi, welcome to the Thursday Tarot Card Guidance. If you have commented on the third pack of cards for yourself, that is R, then this is the message coming for you for this particular week. I see that there has been some kind of guilt trip, some kind of heavy thought process that you have been experiencing all this while, and now is the time when it will start taking a toll on your health. So be careful that you don't let that happen, because especially don't let others comments or others views about your life adversely affect your your actions and whatever you do in your life. There could be a possibility that you are letting others influence you so much. For example, you might just end up opening some kind of social media platform, and somebody might just be flaunting about his or her life, and that might also affect you mentally in an adverse pattern. So small things like these. Okay, just be mindful of where you are investing your time. It is your time, it is very precious, and be careful where you are investing. Do not let others life or fake comments about you or their perception about your life influence your actions. Okay, remember that your mind, your brain is your asset. Okay, also I feel that you don't need to justify or give explanation for whatever you have done or you are doing or you will be doing. Okay, the more you try to justify yourself, the more you try to debate in some kind of argument or yes no kind of situation, the more you will again end up coming back to the first situation. So for example, if at all somebody tells you something or puts a blame on you or just tries to prove you a certain way, it's okay. Don't say a yes, don't say a no. Just simply smile and move ahead. These are people, these are energies which will only make us strong in the long term. All right. So don't let these kind of small sufferings adversely affect you. Instead, make them the pillar of your growth and make them the pillars of your strength in your life. Okay, I also see that there will be some kind of family support, some kind of family help. It doesn't have to be your close family. It could be someone like coming from the cousin side or from the cousin siblings, something like that. Okay, where there will be some kind of help that will be offered to you. Also, you will have a tendency to focus a little bit on your physical appearance, or your maybe the beauty aspect of your life, or just the way you present yourself out there in the public. That's a beautiful thing. In fact, you should invest time intentionally into such things. So I feel happy to see that yes, maybe by the time this week comes to an end, you will eventually end up investing some kind of time in your physical appearance and all of these stuff. And I also feel that if at all there has been some kind of financial distress or some kind of financial expenses or something which has been concerning you, just at the time the month comes to an end, there will be a sense of relaxation. Obviously the salary will be coming, but apart from that also there will be some kind of financial good news. All right, so these are a couple of messages which I see for you, and your lucky color is pink. Okay, so it could be any shade of pink, light pink, baby pink, something like that, but don't have dark pink. So you try to use more of pink color. It will definitely help you to heal your heart chakra as well. And practice the affirmation, I am at peace. Okay, also comment this below, I am at peace. So because when you comment, it's a reminder for your subconscious mind, I am at peace. And that's it for the message for this particular week. I hope you like this guidance and you'd have takeaways from this weekly message, and I will see you soon again. Till then, take care, namaste, and thank you so much for watching the video.